I'm fourth generation sheep farmer. Currently we have our farm is North Star Farm, and that was established 1985. Currently we're pasturing about 850 acres, and we have approximately 1,200 brood ewes. And when we say brood ewes, those would be the ones that would have lambs. So in the springtime, we could be up to 1,800. In our fall breeding season, we don't lamb as many as the springtime, but those numbers obviously would drop down, but then it would also go back up to maybe 1,500 or 1,600. As a young child, we had lambs. My grandfather had lambs. His grandfather had lambs. So it's something that my family has done, my entire life. Lambs are very, very good for the environment. They're very good for land. They're low impact on surfaces, so they don't have the harsh impact that sometimes beef cattle will have. They're just a really, it's a very, very nice animal. It's ongoing. I mean, we're trimming hoofs all the time. We shear our sheep twice a year. We're always grading our lambs. We're moving ones around. We rotate our pastures a lot. I have one crew that's in the process of building new pastures right now. So there's usually not enough hours in the day. And with just the increase of time, the increase of grains in this area and labor, we needed to go to a meat breed and to source our lambs out for harvesting for meat. Our Whole Food Market actually started a couple of years ago. It took us about a year to get into them. They're a great, great company. We really liked their whole philosophy on the way they present their meat, the way they want their meat. They want farmers to raise their lamb or pork or beef naturally. Ours is a grass race. We do all ours on grass. All of our lambs, all of our sheep are all on grass. We had a person from Cape Elizabeth called Lisa this morning that she dropped some lamb chops off maybe a few weeks ago. And he called her this morning and said it was the best lamb he's ever eaten. He and his wife had it last night. So those, that makes the long nights when you're up all night lambing lambs, and it's 5 below zero, and it makes it worth it. We take a lot of pride in it.